Is it possible to build a model railway for £500? The team at Hornby Magazine think you can. Once you have purchased your locos and rolling stock, you need somewhere to run them. And with a clever track plan, making use of inexpensive materials and kits, along with second-hand items, almost anything is possible. In part 3 of this series, sponsored by TMC The Model Centre, Jonathan builds a simple storage shed from the Scale Scenes range of downloadable kits, while Mike uses the Larson shuttering available from the Key Model World shop for the canal before painting the scene in preparation for scenery and details to be laid down. Join us as we present the £500 Layout Challenge, exclusive to premium members of keymodelworld.com.
Are you modelling on a budget of £500 or less? At TMC we have you covered with thousands of lovingly pre-owned items from locomotives to wagons, rolling stock and plastic kits, and much more. Look out for new listings on our website every Friday. And to be sure that you don't miss out, subscribe to our newsletter. Alternatively, if you're looking to sell your collection, get in touch with us by email or telephone for a customised quote. For more details, including how to get in touch with our helpful members of staff, visit themodelcentre.com.
Introducing Key Model World, your new online destination for everything railway and scale modelling. Featuring exclusive videos and features, unseen images, step-by-step guides, railway history and the latest news. Plus, it's home to our full layout build series.
I'm going to stop you right there though, because I didn't do this. This is all you're doing.
Join us for the latest content from Key Publishing's modelling titles, Hornby Magazine and Airfix Model World. Sign up today for as little as £3.75 per month, or if you're a magazine subscriber, bolt Key Model World onto your subscription package now. For more details, visit keymodelworld.com.